coming along pretty well. So it looks like we're going to be getting off here shortly. Good afternoon, I'm LJ with today's adventure stop. We're back here again for another ride on the People Mover here at the Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World. Are you ready for today's adventure? Let's go.
Don't bump the chain, guys.
And as always, if you like this video, give it a nice like and thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, welcome, subscribe down below, and welcome to today's point of view ride here on the People Mover.
Enjoy your journey. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y cuide a sus niños. Gracias. Please step carefully onto the moving platform and step into the car. For your safety, remain seated at all times, keeping hands, arms, feet, legs, and other appendages inside your car. And please supervise younger beings. Stay clear of the doors, which will open and close automatically. Enjoy your journey. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro
This is the TTA Blue Line. Non-stop service around the world. Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the People Mover, presented by Enterprise. I'm Borak 5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky, the absolute best way to see Tomorrowland. And my stars, is there ever lots to see? From spacecraft to monster labs, there's really nothing like today in Tomorrowland.
For your safety, if you have wings, jetpacks, or gravity polarizers, please do not take flight while on board. Thank you.
The next station is Tomorrowland Urban Planning and Star Traders. Transfer to green and red lines.
Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future, right by two of my favorite spots. First up, Progress City, Walt Disney's amazing dream for a community of tomorrow. Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot and a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World? Look, there's even a tiny pinball mover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny over. On your right is Star Traders, home to the greatest goods in the galaxy. Except actual stars. Those are no longer sold.
Attention travelers, your journey has been temporarily delayed. For your safety, please remain seated. Thank you.
Attention.
travelers, your journey has been temporarily delayed. For your safety, please remain seated. Thank you. Attention travelers, your journey has been temporarily delayed. For your safety, please remain seated.
Well, a little bit of a monkey wrench has been thrown in the mix here. Currently stopped, and we are broken down right here in front of Space Mountain while on the People Mover. But the cool thing is we get a nice cool construction view of the new Tron Coaster down there as they work away. It's coming along pretty well. So it looks like we're going to be getting off here shortly. So that was quite the adventure. We were broken down up there on the track and then went down the stairs, walked along the track, and came out through here at Star Traders. So for the inconvenience, they usually load up a Lightning Lane or Fast Pass on your Magic Band. So we got to pick a winner and then we're heading back to the airport. Hey, so if you like today's adventure, give it a nice like and thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye, everyone.